Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today, I'll be sharing the recipe of the potatoes au gratin, a classic French recipe with thinly sliced potatoes in a cheesy bechamel sauce baked to crispy perfection. To begin, thinly slice 500 grams of potatoes using a mandolin to ensure equal thickness. Soak them in water so that they do not colorize. To prepare the bechamel sauce, melt 3 tablespoons of butter on medium heat in a saucepan. Add 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, whisking constantly. Do not brown. Next, add in 2 cups of milk and half a cup heavy cream, stirring constantly, making sure that no lumps are formed. Now add in the seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and quarter teaspoon black pepper powder. Simmer until the sauce thickens and coats the back of the spoon. Turn off the heat. Add in 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese. Fold in until the cheese melts. Keep aside. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To assemble, grease the baking dish with butter. Stack the potato slices and arrange them in rows. Pour the cheesy bechamel sauce on the top. Cover with aluminium foil. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the foil. Sprinkle some grated cheese on the top. Bake it for another 20 to 25 minutes until done and the sauce and the cheese colorize. Remove from oven and let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes so that the sauce settles. Don't worry if you see the cheese and the milk separate. They will bind together once the sauce settles. The potatoes au gratin is ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.